You see this big bullshit Hispanic football behind me?
Yeah.
This was actually my car, my babe 6 seconds ago. Before I decided I wanted to be free and make a financial freedom decision to change my life around now.
Okay.
Come here. These are now my cars 6 seconds later.
No
now I have a
way.
Nissan and a brand new Corvette Lamborghini. And it's all because I wanted to make a decision. If you want to make money now for just $1,000, matter of fact, fuck it. If you buy my program now, I'll cut the cost from $1,000 to a whopping $999. If you join my program today, all you guys have to do is just go online and suck. All you guys have to do is just go online and scam people. No, all you guys have to do is just go online and just follow my footsteps. All right? And then you can actually get a chance to reach financial freedom.
Dude, what is your program called?
It's called DNAS. It's a super lit program.
Wait, what is that?
It's called DNAS. It's called DNAS. All right, you guys just join the program. Join the fucking...
What does that stand for?
Definitely not a scam.
Oh!
No, but look, listen though.
Whoa,
no, wait,
nah, bro. Nah, big dog. Nah!
Click the link now. Click it now. Time is wasting. Why are you still on the video not clicking the link? Why are you listening to me talk? Click the link now. Just click the fuck. Yo, bro.
Oh, shit. All right, bro. I clicked it.
Here at our program at Multi-Million-Dollar Club, our main slogan is knock, knock, knock. Knock on the door to find your opportunity to success. Knock on the door to success. Knock, knock, knock.
That's 3Ks.
3Ks, like the KKK.
KKK.
Feel me? I keep telling y'all niggas hang with me. Y'all acting like... Recent studies have shown in scientific sociology that humans tend to act like who they hang around. What if I told you I hang around the same people you aspire to be? I'm talking about millionaires, billionaires, and what if I told you I developed the tools to teach you guys? Are you guys ready for that type of information? Well, you can if you just sign up for my program today. There's only one spot left. Wait, hold on, I just got a call. 20 people just joined the program. Come on board and join the road to financial success today. We only have one spot left. We only have one spot left.
But how did 20 people just join?
No, that was for the promotion.
No, how did 20 people just... Nah,
it's 0.5. We only have 0.5 of a spot left. Come on,
right,
let me show you my car again to distract you from the fact I just said some dumb shit, right? Hopefully the car can distract you from...
Yo, get away from my car. I'm trying to pull out.
You trying to pull out? Wait, so that wasn't your car for real?
If he gonna pull out, he gonna need a condom.
Condemnation.
That's the only protection. You know what I mean? But anyways, did that sound good? Did it sound good, smart, believable? Like you feel like people gonna buy it?
Yeah.
That sounds smart.
Okay.
For dumbasses, dumbass. No one gonna believe that bullshit. What's wrong with you?
LeBron, though.
For LeBron, do
He do be scamming, though. I heard that Forex.
Don't worry, don't feel discouraged. I was a broke fat bitch just like you until I bought my program. But you have to buy it as soon as yesterday. I ain't gonna lie, buy the fucking program.
Yeah, wait, hold on, bro. Come on, wait, hold on, bro. Hold on.
Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. There's no teachers on my channel, so you guys do need a sub and follow us on social media.